Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today I'm reading Matthew chapter 5, verse 40 to 42 in Urobo language. Obe ri Matthew uyomi royin inyorin awo royin ujive rite ujuve mive. Verse 40. Okwo de polo uwepo egwari fikire ikotu wen gbaje bie adagba wen ke. Verse 41. Okwo dagba wene ove onyenya uroko ovu nene nya ive. Verse 42. Okwo da yare owe woke. Okwo de bru uwere ri mumu wosiake. Thank you.